our gorgeous harvest today. The peppers are long lasting. They still have fruits until like fall. Let's harvest the bell peppers. How gorgeous, right? Let's get 2 bell peppers. Red one, I think they are padron. Oh, this one, look at this. Like long, different varieties of peppers. Our harvest so far, and then we have another variety of pepper on this side. Look at this. Beautiful peppers. Beautiful looking peppers. These are shishito peppers. And we have eggplant here. And then there's another one here. Two eggplants. Let's harvest more pears. This one is beautiful. There you go. Let's put them to here. So have eggplant here, and they just stay like this, like small. They are fairy tale. The variety is fairy tale. They don't grow big. This one is ready after this. So they look like this, and then if I don't harvest, they turn into like this color, and then eventually they will turn into like this one, yellow. See? So this is how they progress. They look like beautiful like this, and then it's going to fade like this, and then eventually it turns yellow like that. Into our harvest. Beautiful. Our gorgeous harvest today. This is cherry moya, and there are some flowers. Oh, look at that, there's a butterfly. Oh, hello butterfly. And this one is the wing beans. I need to plant them a little early next season because it's already late. Look at that. Wing beans. This is another flower. This is flower that is done. Beautiful, right? It's sad that they just started to flower. Maybe I should plant them around February next time. I think I planted them like already summertime. It takes a while for them to grow. And then here we have, look at the lemons. They look like limes, still green. Oh, this one is starting to turn yellow. Oh, we have, I didn't know we have this is Asian pear. I didn't know there's one here. Oh my. The first Asian pear, Shinjiki. Oh, let's harvest this. We have more pears on the other side, but they are Anjou pears, or like French pears. We have this one, and then we have blueberry bush here, and then we have this apricot tree here, and this is a peach tree, I'm going to show you some like fruits from like during summer. Peaches are ready for harvest. These are red Baron peaches. They are this one. And this is another lemon tree. There are more lemons here, and then here, a lot of lemons. And this is the pear tree, Anjou pear. Oh, that lemon is yellow. Oh, some are turning yellow. Some are ready. Oh, nice. This is the pear tree. That one is ready. That one too. So let's harvest some like pears. Josh likes this for like snacking. So this is like the French pear. A second, I need a basket. So this is the Asian pear. Let's harvest the Anjou or the French pears. There are more fruits on this one. I've been harvesting since like last month. This is another. So here are the lemons. Of lemons here, but still green. This, and this is an apple tree here, and we have flowers here. We're growing a cold, like more of like a Siberian tomato. Let's try to grow this, and I'll give you an update. And then this is rosemary. Flowers here, gorgeous geraniums, and then we have like strawberries there, and then this one is vinca. We have like the vinca here, and so here's our harvest so far. And then this side we have the French lavender here. This one, this like Mexican sage. They are beautiful this time of the year. I'll show you the other side. And this, and then we have roses. Look at that. And then the roses here. And then the red roses over there. We have pink ones. And then that one, look at that. It's growing super tall. Taller than the house actually. That's a rose. These are gorgeous. And then the orange trumpet. Orange trumpet over there. And then here we have some tiny sugar snap peas growing. Let's put this here. These are sugar snap peas. That soon we will have like some sugar snap peas for snacking. This is a blueberry bush, and here we have shiso plant, and we have tomatoes there that I need to uproot. They're done for the season. And then we have like strawberries here. This is basil, and the calamansi tree here. We can harvest calamansi to make calamansi juice. There are a lot of calamansi actually that are ready. Some are turning like orange. This one is perfect to make calamansi juice. It's quite windy right now. This is citronelle. This is the fig tree. It's done too for the season. So here we have the vegetables that we planted: arugula, bok choy, and spinach.